Get her.
I hate these droids.
You there, what's going on?
Protect me! I can help you!
I'm looking for the Queen. Have you seen her?
The palace is locked down,
the
but I
Jedi.
can crack the codes. I can get you to the throne room.
Of course, but
Roger, roger.
I'll handle this.
Thanks.
Do what you're
Back
told.
off. I'm warning you.
Stay alert.
What's your name,
Hello.
Jedi?
I'm actually just a Padawan.
A what?
Never mind. My name is Obi-Wan Kenobi.
She's the one hope for the Naboo. I will come with you to the private throne room. To bring me up. There's a switch to raise the...
Obi-Wan, is everything okay? Obi-Wan, I fear the Queen is in grave danger. I'm unable to get to the throne room. It's up to you,
For my
Padawan.
joint's sake.
I won't let you down. I'll contact you once I get to the throne room.
Did you hear something? Uh-oh. Stop, Jedi!
Follow me. I can open the door for you. The door is unlocked. I'll wait here for you until you've secured the area.
I traded out my arms of Gizmo for a Around the Jedi.
Don't let me destroy you.
It was over here.
Follow me. I can open the door for you.
Waiting for orders.
Locked.
I saw something. Stay alert. Reinforcements. It was over here. What's that noise? Did you hear something? Around the Jedi.
Defend yourself!
Stay up. What's that noise? It was over here. I saw something. What's that noise? It was over here. Stay alert.
Follow me. I can open the door for you. Blast. They've reset the code. What a mess! Who did this?
Defend yourself! Back off! I'm warning you. I'm not sure.
Alert.
Defend yourself!
Roger, roger.
Back off! I'm warning you.
Thanks for the backup, Jedi. They had us pretty well surrounded.
Thank goodness you're here,
Panaka
Jedi.
Of the Queen's Royal Security Forces. I'm glad you...
I saw something. You're around the Jedi.
Follow me. I can open the door for you. The door is unlocked.
Surround the Jedi. Eliminate the threat. Did you hear something? Terminate.
Don't let me destroy you.
Stay alert.
Thanks for the backup, Jedi. And it's pretty well surrounded.
Follow me. I can open the door for you.
Eliminate the threat.
Follow me. I can open the door for you. Beyond these doors is the throne room. Let's hope Queen Amidala is still here. The door is unlocked.
Jedi, you've arrived too late. She was just taken by the Trade Federation droids. I'll leave you to her. Oh no! Look out! Help! Over here!
Eliminate.
For the Queen!
Defend yourself!
Terminate.
Back off. I'm warning you.
Good going, Jedi. Thanks for saving my hide.
Where are they taking her?
Camp 4, I think. They want her to sign some kind of treaty.
I'd better contact Master Qui-Gon.
Hey, Jedi. Don't let them hurt her.
I'll do my best.
Let's get out of here!